Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. First we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant, and the next one is B. Now we draw the alphabet of C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, the next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. The next one is E. Now we draw F and the next one is G. The next one is H. Now we draw I. And the next one is J. Now we draw K. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids, now we draw M and the next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Now we draw O. The next one is P. The alphabet of Q. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. Now we draw T. The next one is U. V. W. X. Y, and the last one is Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.